Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking this ordinary biscuit dough and turning them into the most indulgent chocolate donuts with a gooey chocolate filling and a rich chocolate glaze. Everybody always goes crazy over these, and the best part is they're quick and easy to prepare. Now let's get started. To start these donuts, you'll need a tube of prepared biscuit dough. I'm going to be mixing the dough with a cocoa powder mixture that'll turn these into the most heavenly chocolate donuts ever. Do this by hand or with your mixer. I'm going to use 2 packets today, which makes roughly around 2 dozen donuts. Now for every packet of biscuit dough, you'll want to add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, sugar, and warm water, all equal parts. Once incorporated, go ahead and add it to the dough. If you decide to mix this in by hand, it takes quite a bit of elbow grease to get it fully worked in. Just continue kneading the dough until all of the white streaks are gone. For those of you new to my channel, I post videos weekly. Be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out. Now after you have this beautiful chocolate dough ready, go ahead and start forming the donuts. This biscuit dough is extremely forgiving. You don't even have to roll it out. If you wanted to, you just could form these flat discs with your hands. Next, get your oil ready. If you have a thermometer, pop that in there as well, because you'll notice while frying donuts, you don't want the heat to be too high because it'll just burn and won't be fully cooked in the middle. Always keep the heat around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which will be between a medium to a low heat. Time each donut to cook for exactly 2 minutes on each side. Place these chocolate clouds onto a baking pan once they're ready, and on to the next part. I'm going to show you how to make that super fudgy filling to these donuts. It couldn't be any simpler. Mix together 1½ cups of cold milk with a cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, and 6 tablespoons of cornstarch. Once everything's fully incorporated, cook this on a medium heat and bring it up to a boil while whisking vigorously so it won't stick and burn on the bottom. After about 2 to 3 minutes, you'll notice it'll turn into this chocolate-like volcanic lava, and you'll want to finish it off with 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to use this rich filling for the donuts. Remove it from the heat, and at this point, slice each donut one side down the middle, add a heaping tablespoon inside, and place them back onto that baking sheet. This filling slightly firms as it cools, exactly like the raspberry filling to a jelly-filled donut. These aren't quite done yet. I'm going to be making the glaze by simply adding 1/2 cup of cocoa powder with the powdered sugar and some hot water. Whisk this together until the glossy consistency forms and there no longer are any lumps from the cocoa powder. Don't forget that this full recipe is listed down below in the description box, and it's also on my website with a ton of other fun and unique recipes. Now you may be thinking that I'm going to be dipping these donuts inside, but not quite. You see, the biscuit dough that we used for these delicious donuts is so soft and delicate, you're just going to want to slightly drizzle the glaze over the top, and in a container, very gently move them around a bit to evenly distribute the glaze all over. I tried dipping and pouring the glaze on top like a traditional donut, but each one ended up weighing almost 5 pounds each, so all they need is a little drizzle. Look at how delicious. Have you guys ever seen anything like these? So fudgy for that true chocolate lover out there. Time to finish these off. Add a half a cup of sugar with the final cocoa powder. You're gonna roll these gooey chocolate filled donuts and sprinkle them all over with the sugar mixture. They are finally ready to enjoy. These chocolate filled donuts are honestly like nothing you have ever tried before. Although they had many steps to them, they all were extremely easy and only took a few minutes to put together, making these the ultimate quick and easy show-stopping dessert. Try these out for any special occasion and they'll leave a lasting impression on anybody who tries one. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. I want to thank all of my subscribers out there for always showing your love and support. I love you guys so very much from the bottom of my heart. Stay tuned for more recipes posted weekly, all of them always with a unique twist.